Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI avatar. So I have this prompt right here below this video, and I want you to take that prompt and paste it here in ChatGPT. After pasting this prompt, you're going to go ahead and upload a picture of your avatar. So I'm going to go ahead and upload one. Okay, so I've uploaded a picture of my avatar. Now, ChatGPT will create me a prompt. This also works if you don't have a character or an avatar. You can actually go on Pinterest and look at the AI models that are created by people. You can go ahead and also look on Instagram, and you want to use those pictures as reference so that AI will create you a prompt, which you're then going to use that prompt to create your own AI avatars. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and send this prompt. All right. So this is our prompt. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt. I'm going to go to Higgsfield AI. Then go to Image. And then you want to select Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so go ahead and click here. Paste that prompt over here. Select Nano Banana Pro. You're going to select your aspect ratio. I'm going to go ahead and select the quality. 1K and 2K are quite similar. I didn't see much difference. 4K is actually very good quality. But keep in mind that if you select 4K, you will have to spend more credits. Okay? And then you can select how many pictures you want AI to create. The more pictures you select, the more credits you're going to spend. I am going to go ahead and select 2, and then we're going to go ahead and click on Generate. Okay, so there we go. AI generated us 2 pictures. There's this one, and then there is this one. So, both pictures came out really nice, and if you look at the original model, this is actually the model that I uploaded in ChatGPT reference. And you can see they're not too similar, right? So this is why you actually want to sort of have a reference image to tell ChatGPT, okay, I want my model to look somewhat like this. And then ChatGPT will come up with a prompt that you can then use in Higgsfield AI, and Nano Banana then use that prompt and create you an avatar. Now, if you want to go ahead and enhance the picture, you can just click here. Let's say you want to soften the skin, you can just click here and then click on Enhance. And it will make the changes. Alright, so there we go. Now, if you want to make changes to this picture, for example, let's say I want to change the hair color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the picture, and then click on Reference. There we go. And now you can write whatever changes you want to make. So, for example, change her hair color to light brown. And I just want to generate one picture, 2K, and then we're going to go ahead and generate. Alright. So you can see her hair color has changed. And that's how you create your AI avatar using Nano Banana in Higgsfield AI.